So if you watched the service video, we've got the Binatone BreakerPhone from 1981, so it's all built into a telephone looking handset, so just to attract the police's attention when you're using your CB in the car and you don't actually have a mobile phone. We left it with a display anomaly because there's a fault with the serial data chip, that when we go down the channels or up the channels, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and so on. It does select the channels, it's just a display anomaly. But I know how expensive those chips are, and I'm sure he doesn't want to spend that kind of money. Right, Mr. Chippie is probably going to be about out there. The squelch is very wishy-washy, but with us being in the middle of nowhere, we should be alright with it, because we're in the middle of nowhere and we're not going to get much interference from other people. But don't go out and buy one of these if you live in the middle of a city, because it's going to sit there hissing all day. We're going to use the internal speaker, so it's relying on this little tiny 1-inch speaker in here, but you can plug it into an external speaker. And I think what we'll do at one point is to plug in an external speaker just to prove that it does have decent audio. So here we go, see Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Hello there, I'm now recording.
Yep, roger that. Right, we'll come up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger that.
I think we're going to switch to external speaker as soon as he gets to the top of the hill, because I think you need to know how this sounds in reality rather than what you'd expect it to be holding up to your ear.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. Now, I'm just going to ask you to repeat where you are as you're going up that hill, because I'm going to switch to external speaker as part of the demonstration. Over.
Yeah, roger that.
So switch to external speaker. Okay, we're now on external speaker.
Yep, roger that. Just going past the quarry and coming up to the top of the hill.
Roger, thank you. So we'll keep it like that for the rest of the test. At least you know how it sounds through its little tiny handset speaker.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 to Chippie. Now going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Binatone BreakerPhone and the radio is doing 3.2 watts over.
Yep, roger that. I'll receive.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger that. And 21 to Mississippi. We're now square wheels at Rossby Level Crossing.
Roger got you at Rossby Level Crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10, that's great. Well, and it was a good test. You know, the sensitivity is certainly there. But I say it could potentially be a bleed over box with a rather simplistic receiver and the wishy-washy squelch. I think I remember the audio being a bit muffled on these, and we're going to hear that right now. We're going to go over to our Harrier CBHQ base station and see what that sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Binatone BreakerPhone from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 12345 54321.